Hey there. Let's talk about something that's super important, but often overlooked, the risks associated with labor jobs. From construction sites to manufacturing plants and everything in between, the labor force faces a variety of occupational hazards that can pose serious risks to their health and safety. One of the main reasons why labor jobs are so risky is the physical nature of the work involved. Take construction workers, for instance. They often have to work at great heights, operate heavy machinery, and handle hazardous materials. These factors significantly increase the likelihood of workplace accidents and injuries. But it doesn't stop at physical risks. Workers in industrial settings are frequently exposed to harmful substances like chemicals, noise pollution, and air and water pollutants. These exposures can have detrimental effects on their health if proper safety measures aren't in place. Then there's the issue of physically demanding and stressful conditions. Now, the repetitive nature of many labor-intensive jobs can lead to musculoskeletal disorders. On top of that, the pressure to meet deadlines and production targets can contribute to mental health issues among workers. Let's not forget the variability of work environments in the labor force, whether it's extreme temperatures, confined spaces, or working outdoors in adverse weather conditions. These factors can significantly impact the well-being of workers. So what can be done to mitigate these risks? Employers must prioritize occupational health and safety by implementing comprehensive safety programs. Providing appropriate training and adhering to regulations and guidelines can go a long way in ensuring the safety and well-being of the labor force. In conclusion, the labor force is exposed to more hazards than any other type of workforce. The physical, environmental, and psychological challenges faced by workers in this sector make it imperative for employers to take action. By prioritizing occupational health and safety, we can make a significant difference in the lives of those who keep our industries running. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, safety first.